If you're looking to set up Asana from scratch and get organized in no time, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you how to set up Asana quickly and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your workflow. Before we dive in, remember, you can use Asana for free, and I've got some exclusive bonuses for you when you check out the first link in the description below. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is sign up and create your workspace. Head to the Asana website, and you'll be prompted to create an account. You can sign up using Google, or you can use an email address. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to create a workspace. Think of a workspace like the main hub for your projects. This is where you'll organize everything. Next, let's set up your first project. After creating your workspace, you'll want to add a project to it. Projects are where all your tasks live. You can choose from a variety of templates, whether it's for a simple to-do list, a marketing campaign, or even product development. Or, if you prefer, you can start with a blank project. I recommend using a template if you're just getting started. It'll save you a lot of time and effort. Now, we move on to organizing your tasks. Inside your project, you'll want to break it down into specific tasks and assign them to team members. For each task, you can set a due date, attach files, and add comments. Tasks can be simple or detailed depending on your needs. Next thing to focus on, adding sections and milestones. Asana allows you to organize tasks into sections within your projects, which helps you break down big projects into manageable pieces. Milestones are key moments in your project that you want to track. You can mark tasks as milestones to keep an eye on the major goals of the project. After that, let's talk about managing your team. Asana allows you to add team members to your workspace, assign them tasks, and keep track of their progress. To make sure everyone is on the same page, you can leave comments directly on tasks, and your team will get notified in real time. This keeps everyone connected and makes communication seamless. The fourth thing you should do is set up your notifications. Notifications are crucial for staying up to date with what's happening in your project. You can customize your notifications so you only get alerted about the things that matter to you. This helps reduce distractions and keeps you focused on your priorities. Next, don't forget to set up your integrations. Asana works with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Microsoft Teams, which can make your workflow even more efficient. You can add these integrations directly in Asana settings to bring all your favorite tools into one place. Lastly, let's look at using views to manage your projects. Asana has different views like List, Board, Calendar, and Timeline. Each view offers a unique way to visualize your tasks. The List view is great for simple task lists, while the Board view is perfect if you like organizing things like a Kanban board. The Calendar and Timeline views are ideal for project planning and seeing your tasks over time. Now, as you set up Asana from scratch, keep in mind you're not alone. Asana offers a helpful support center as well as an active community where you can get tips and solutions for any issues you encounter. Remember, you can get started with Asana for free, and there's an exclusive extended trial available through the first link below, so don't miss out. Now that you know how to set up Asana, go ahead and start organizing your projects with ease.